joyful about, that comes to me in my heart and is born a sweet wish which summons me to sing and make a song, and to give myself pleasure and joy, and to be merry and to make semblance of it. For from joy one comes to good hope, and from good hope to great pleasure. Hey! Season I have been in great dismay, loaded with grief and terror, in war and in dispute with her who was bad, so pleasing and of such beautiful grace, that the sweet memory kills my heart. But against my will, according to what I make appear, I turn her whom I most desire into not caring. If I weep or lament or rage for her who withdraws her love from me, I don't accuse her or myself, for I have been and am such that never did I have great joy from love, that it didn't turn into grief and heaviness, nor could I ever at any time have great joy, that the joy didn't make me stay in grief. Hey! Complain about it again, but I have anger and grief in my heart when I see a worthy lady from whom all good people take joy, take on herself vengeance for another's wrong, such that her worth and she turn into error, and a worthy lady should not fall, nor should her worth by making another suffer. A nature that beauty, youth, or joy never drew me toward a lady who made of herself a gift to many. For once a lady gives attention to each man, I don't hold in honor the honor she doesn't. For without giving hope, a lady with sense and